Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we are looking at this geometry question. It says in the figure above, find the value of P and the value of Q here. Okay, shall we find the values? Okay. Anyways, one key information we need to discern from this, um, we can see these lines and they are not here for decoration. It simply means this line and this line, they are parallel lines. And once you know that, then solving this question becomes very easy. Okay? So that's one thing we should know. So it's like this. You have this as this line. Then you have another one here. Okay? You have this, then you have this now, this line. Okay. So now you can see in here, you have 54 degrees. Okay? Remember this line and this line are parallel. Now, outside here, if you look at this, okay, you have your P here. So if this line and this line are parallel, 54 and P, they have a relationship. And that relationship is P is equals to 54 degrees. Why is that the case? Now, if you just take this line out, this is inside the parallel line, right? This angle. And this one will be like outside the parallel lines because this is inside. So this is inside and this is outside the parallel line. Or like letter F. If you draw this one like letter F, you have this one at the bottom and this one inside. I want to show you how you can know that they are corresponding angles. So you have something like this. It's like this always. So if this angle and this angle, okay? Now if you extend this up here and this again up here, okay? So they are corresponding angles. So we say corresponding angles are congruent, meaning that they have equal measures. Or you can say corresponding angles are the same, right? Perfect. So it means that your P is 54. Now you have P. How do we get Q? Well, we know you can see this one as a triangle here. Okay? This is a triangle. I know P, I know Q. Can I put a letter here? Yes. So let's say this here be R. So this be R. If that is R, I know my R plus 128 degrees must equals 180 degrees. Why? This and this are adjacent angles or angles on a straight line. So you always have to give a reason. You say sum of angles on a straight line. Okay? So my R plus 128 equals 180 minus 128 minus 128. This and this goes to my R is equals to 52 degrees. R is 52, P is 54. You can easily find Q because I know that my Q plus P plus R must equals 180 degrees. While you say sum of angles in a sky angle. Okay? Sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. I know my Q as 54 degrees. This Q we are looking for. Oh my God. So this is Q. P is 54 degrees. R is 52. 180 degrees, right? You add this and this gives you, so this is Q plus 106 minus 106 minus 106. This and this goes, so my Q is equals to 74 degrees. Okay? So when you subtract, gives you that. So my P here will be 54 degrees and Q is 74 degrees. Okay? Don't just stop here. I've solved so many problems or similar questions. Check my profile and see some of the videos. Okay? And if you are serious about this, you need one-on-one tutorial, reach out to me. Okay, it depends on the time difference. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to get yourself this book, the official SAT guide. If you are preparing for SAT, even if you are preparing for WAS or JITS, CSC, okay, get this one. It's going to help you as well. Okay, and I use different books, so it's an advantage for you. See you guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to share. Please share. It will help me a lot. That's the only thing you can do for me right now. Please. Thank you.